everyone. I'm Preeti Gupta welcoming all of you to my science class. Before starting today's topic, just see some things. I want to show you some things. Just see. These are the bowls made up of stainless steels. Just see. Watch. It is also made up of metal. Scrubber. It is also made up of metals. Now see. This is the bowl which is made up of silver. Silver is also a metal. And you can also see your doors, your gates and so many equipments at your home which are made up of metals. And today's topic is also metals. In the continuation of lesson 2, that is materials from the earth, now we are going to learn about metals. Students, now the question arises, what are metals? Metals are the substances that are hard, means they are very hard, but all metals are not hard. Most of the metals are hard, but a few metals, for example mercury, it is in liquid state in its usual form. Say for example sodium, it is very soft metal, it is not hard metal, even we can cut it with knife. So but still most of the metals are hard. Metals are lustrous. Lustrous means they are very shiny. They are having very shiny appearance. Next, malleable. Malleable means they can be beaten into thin sheets. For example, you must have seen your aluminum foil paper. That is also because the metals are malleable, means they can be beaten into thin sheets. Next, metals are ductile also. Ductile means they can be drawn into thin wires. For example, copper wire, aluminum wire, so many wires. So, but the question arises, from where do we get the metals? Yes, students, we get the metals from the earth's crust. But you know, we are not getting the metal from the earth's crust in its usual form. ऐसे metals नहीं निकलती हैं. अगर आप चाहोगे silver, as it is pure silver नहीं आएगी. Metals are extracted from the earth in the form of ores. Just see. Ores. Now, what are ores? Ores are the rocks that contains metals. Means the rocks that contain metals are called ores. जब हम अर्थ क्रस्ट से मेटल्स को बाहर निकालते हैं तो वो ओर्स की फॉर्म में होती है. एंड then we extract the metals from their ores. You know that, students, the place from where we get the metals, they are called mines. Now mines क्या है? वो जगह जहाँ से हम ओर्स को बाहर निकालते हैं, अर्थ क्रस्ट से बाहर निकालते हैं. तो that process is called mining. To getting the metals from the earth crust, is that process is called mining. Next term comes furnace. Now what is furnace? Furnace is a place, they are just like a huge ovens where we put the ores and we heat them at very high temperature and we obtain metals from that. Means the place where we extract metal from their ores, they are called furnaces. They are called furnaces. Now our next topic is, students, you know that in furnaces होता क्या है furnaces में? All these ores are heated and the metals in that ores get melted and then we separate that melted form of metals from the impurities, and the impurities, they are left behind in the furnace itself, and the pure metal is changes into its liquid form and we separate it from the ores. After getting that liquid form, we just cool that metal and change it into solid form, and then we send this solid form into various factories to make different types of things which are made up of metals. Students, I'm just attaching a video with this video which will show you different types of ores like iron ore, gold ore, and also that video will show you different types of mines जहाँ से हम ores को निकालते हैं बाहर. Secondly, that video also shows you different types of furnaces कि हम furnace से में metals को कैसे extract करते हैं ore से. Just have a look on this.
Now let's see some pictures of ores, furnaces and metals. Picture of iron ore.
अच्छा.
This is the picture of Gold ore. These are some mines from where we extract ores to get the metals. From these mines, we extract different metals. The process of extracting metals from the mines is called mining. This is the picture of a person who is extracting metals from their ores. Just have a look. These are the big furnaces from where we get metals. I hope that you must have enjoyed this video and learned that how we extract various metals from their ores.
Students, I hope you must have enjoyed the video which I have already attached with this video. Students, now after that, now we will be doing the uses of metals. Students, you know that there are numerous metals in the earth's crust, but the very common metals are aluminium, iron, copper. So let's discuss the uses of these metals. See, first of all, iron. Students, you know that iron is used at many places for making machinery items, for making buildings, for making furniture items, and for making these doors, your gate of the houses. We are using iron in these things. So iron is a very important metal. Next, our metal is aluminium. You know, students, aluminium is white in color, and its main properties, it can be beaten into thin sheets. You must have seen your aluminium foil. Aluminium foil is very thin, that is made up of aluminium. Aluminium is also used for making furnitures. Aluminium is also used for making wires and lunch boxes. So many uses of aluminium for making doors also. Next metal is copper. Students, copper is also used. The most important use of copper is making wires. Because copper is a good conductor of electricity, that's why mostly all the wires are made up of copper. But we can use the copper in other ways also. Before discussing copper, I just want to make one thing clear to you. What are alloys? Just see this term, alloys. Alloys are the substances which are made up by combining two or more metals. For example, when take the example of gold. Gold, you know that when we obtain the gold, it is a soft, and if jewelers make the jewelry only with gold, तो वो थोड़ी देर बाद खराब हो सकती है, वो खराब हो जाएगी. तो that's why jewelers are mixing the gold with some brass or bronze so that it gives life to that jewelry item. ज्वेलरी आइटम को ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाने के लिए, ज़्यादा ड्यूरेबल बनाने के लिए ज्वेलर्स उसमें बाकी मेटल्स की मिक्सिंग करते हैं. दैट मिक्सिंग इज व्हेन दीज टू मेटल्स आर कंबाइंड, दैट आर कॉल्ड alloys. Alloys मतलब when two or more metals are combined to make another metal which is of more good quality, that are called alloys. See, take the example of copper and zinc. When copper is mixed with zinc, it makes brass. You know that brass is used for making utensils, for making decorative items, for making many musical instruments. The same when copper is mixed with tin, it makes bronze. Now bronze is also used for making medals, for making bells, for making some parts of musical instruments. You know, so these are the uses of different types of alloys. Now just our use of next metal is gold. You know, gold, the most important use of gold is making jewelry items. But in jewelry, except of jewelry item, gold is also used for making some parts of laptop. If you see the internal part of laptop, you will see there are some parts which are made up of gold items. is used for making jewelry items, and except making jewelry items, gold is also used in making some parts of laptop, some other parts of electric equipments. Now next is silver. Students, silver is also used for making utensils, for making wires, for making other things like decorative items, and for making jewelry items. All these are the uses of silver item. Students, what we have done today? We have done metals. From where we get the metals are called ores, and then the place from where we get the metal mines, and that process is called mining. Then we have learned about uses of metals, and we have done the uses of iron, aluminium, copper, gold and silver. That's all for today. Students, if I think the today's topic is clear to all of you, but still if there are some queries, just feel free to put your queries in your WhatsApp group. I will be definitely going to solve your queries there. Secondly, just be happy, stay at home, just observe your home, see where the things which are made up of metals. And one activity you must do at your home, that you just make a list of different items which are made up of metals, and just ask your parents that which metal is used for making this item, and just make a list of that item. That's all for today. Bye. Happy learning.